Welcome back, my nerdy family. If you're new here, my name is Liz. I am the official craft nerd, and today we're going to make some really adorable shabby chic inspired Christmas ornaments. So I'm really excited about these ornaments. I love using these wood rounds every Christmas. There's just so many different things that you can do with them, and they're perfect blanks to use for ornaments. Now, I believe I got mine off of Amazon, but I know you can pick these up at Michael's or Hobby Lobby as well. And really all I'm going to be doing is just attaching these really cute little pretties and doodads, as I call them, to the wood base with some hot glue. The little doilies and the little pearl beads there, I believe those I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I always like to check out their wedding section because they usually have a lot of sales, and a lot of that stuff is very, very pretty and really does work with that whole shabby chic, cottagecore type of style, if that's what you're really into. And that's what I usually do a lot of on this channel. So, and these little diamonds, or the shiny, as you see, it's just blinging on my my workstation there. Those I picked up off of Amazon as well, and it's just a very large bag of flat back like rhinestones or diamonds or whatnot. And I'm just taking different sizes here to add to my ornament. And like I said, this is so simple. I mean, it's very, very easy because all we're doing, there's no painting here, there's no Mod Podging, there's none of that. This is fairly clean because we're just gluing things down. But I just love the look and the feel of these once they're all completed. And again, you can really kind of do this any way you want. Add any kind of details that you want to these that fits that aesthetic that you're looking for. Me personally, like I said, I wanted this to be very, shabby chic inspired with that touch of, that bling and just that real pretty aesthetic that I just wanted to see that on my tree this year. So I did want to show you a different style of wood round, and these I actually picked up from Hobby Lobby. These were in the wedding section. They do come in a bag that has different sizes. Now, they do not have the holes already drilled in them. I actually drilled my hole in myself, just so we can hang our ornament at the end. But these wood rounds, the texture is different. They're a little rougher. They have a little more bark around the ends there, but they're very more, y'all. They are definitely a little bit more rustic, and if that's your vibe, then these are perfect for you. So again, these were picked up at Hobby Lobby if you want to check those out. And again, all I'm doing here is taking scraps that I've kept over time from different projects. So, anything from these little paper flowers and fabric flowers to ribbons and beads and all of that. I am just going to kind of, throw them together here on this ornament in a way that looks aesthetically pleasing to me, and just have fun with it. So I always say, you guys, like, especially if you're really into the shabby chic look or cottagecore or anything like that, keep those little bits of fabric or scraps of, ribbon and, the little pearls and any of those little things, because you can always reuse those in these types of projects, because really that is what that aesthetic is all about, is just having all those little pretties and kind of just putting them all together And I love it. I absolutely love it. It's super cute. So anyways, I'm going to stop talking now so you guys can just continue to check out how I decorate this one, and then there will be another ornament at the end, and I will jump back in then. So this is our final ornament, and again I'm using one of those rougher wood rounds that I had to drill my own hole in. But I just love them. I think they're super cute. And I'm just again using fabric scraps and these little paper flowers and just whatever I can come across to decorate these. I really feel like this video is pretty self-explanatory. I know I kind of tend to talk a lot, but I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of background on these in case you had any questions later on. But I just think these are probably one of the easiest, and really I had a lot of fun making them because you can come up with just so many different designs and looks on these. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Very simple, very easy to do. No painting, no gluing other than the hot glue, so no Mod Podge or really no mess. And you get to use up, things that you've had lying around already. So, super affordable to do. Those are my favorite types, you guys. I love affordable projects. But yeah, so if you are new, I hope you stick around. I hope you hit that subscribe button for me. Leave me a comment, hit that like button, all the good YouTube fun stuff that we have to say. But I really do enjoy you guys stopping by every week, and it really just warms my heart when I hear that you guys are enjoying what I do and that you're out there creating yourselves because you felt inspired, and that is the whole point of doing this. So I love y'all, and until next time, y'all stay safe, take care. We'll see you next week.